the divine diva herself, magpapa-beauty in an instant. Hot na hot pa rin si Miss Jaja Padilla. Hindi ma-deny na timeless talaga ang kanyang kagandahan. Mula noon hanggang ngayon, napaka-fresh at beautiful pa rin. Kaya unang-una, gusto talaga naming malaman kung ano pang mga tiniis ni Miss Jaja para ma-achieve ang kanyang kagandahan.
Probably the diet. Because it's hard eh. Yun ang tiis ganda lang for me. I work out almost every day. It's something I really enjoy. And I swim when I'm home. Palagay ko yung tiis ganda, kung talaga naman para sa ikabubuti, like for women my age, kailangan konting ingat na rin kasi mas prone na tayo sa heart disease and you have to read up on it, you have to be knowledgeable, you have to do this not only for yourself but for your family because as mothers we have our children to take care of. Kahit na ako malalaki na yung mga anak ko, they depend on me so much and you know we have to be around for them.
Hinintay namin na matapos ang procedure ni Miss Jaja at kahit wala siyang makeup at under recovery pa, mukhang worth it naman talaga ang lahat ng tiniis niya. Ang ganda pa rin, di ba?
Thank you very much, Kabarkada and us girls for being with me throughout this procedure.
Madali ang buhay, tiis, ganda. Kailangan dedicated ka talaga.
Alam nyo girls, isang eye-opener